Tidal with him. Frankie Paul never get free.
Tributes being paid to old school dancehall singer Frankie Paul, who has died after a long illness.
Oh, Casanova.
David Rodigan said Paul's incomparable voice and songs are his legacy. Paul charted in the late 80s and early 90s. Jamaica Reggae Association President Ibu Cooper summed up what made Frankie Paul special.
Writing ability. He plays some keyboards, and I said that awesome voice and groove. When you look at songs like I Know the Score, when you look at Pass the Kushong Peng, these are not just Jamaican hits, it's international hits. And then of course he did a remake of the Levert's Casanova, the reggae Casanova, and that was like off the chain.
Visually challenged, Paul also suffered from diabetes, treatment for which left the singer in serious debt.
Unfortunately, recently, he succumbed to the illness to a level that he had to be dialyzed. And you know, that gets expensive. And part of the work that Jaria is trying to do is to see that we can have artists who get to the stage where they need treatment, but the treatment is accessible and affordable, or we can support them. Apparently, when he was in intensive care, the treatment was as much as nearly 40,000 Jamaican a week, which, you know, that is hard to manage. And then he was also in debt at the hospital, apparently another 1.4 million.
Frankie Paul was 51.